We're in trances, going all to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. You like the fast life, you like the drive.
Hi family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you all for tuning in. Happy Friday. And if this is your first time stopping by, welcome. I hope you like the channel. Please go ahead and check it out. On this channel we do a lot of DIY products for natural hair. We do home decor, home remodeling, some vlogging, and so much fun stuff here. If you like all of those, then please don't hesitate to smash that subscribe button to become a member. Plus it is absolutely free. Okay, so just go ahead and smash that button to join this family. Alright y'all, so let's get right into the video. Today I'm here with this hair mask. I'm starting off with my aloe vera. If you've been on here for a while, you know that I like to soak my aloe vera in some water before I use it. So I already did that. My aloe vera had been soaking for 2 hours. Now it's time to prepare the aloe vera. So I've already extracted the gel from the leaves. Now I'm just going to blend my aloe vera and then I'm going to add my ingredients to the bowl. Alright family, so I have my aloe vera gel in the bowl. It is time to add the rest of the ingredients into the gel. I started off by measuring 2 tablespoons of the amla powder, 2 tablespoons of the fenugreek powder, and 2 tablespoons of the ashwagandha powder. This is my very first time using the ashwagandha powder, but I've come to learn that it is very good for your hair and also for your body. So if you have used this or if you have any knowledge of this powder, please share that in the comment section. We would love to learn from you guys, okay? And I'm also using 3 tablespoons of my castor oil. After adding all these ingredients into the bowl, I'm going to go ahead and mix it, and I will be adding 1 cup of my coconut milk. Alright family, it's application time. So you guys know that I always apply the hair mask to a clean hair. So I've washed and conditioned my daughter's hair, and now it's time to apply this amazing hair mask to her hair. This hair mask is packed with a lot of minerals and vitamins for the hair. Amla is rich in vitamin C, which can increase blood circulation in the scalp, and it also strengthens your hair follicles. Amla is one of the effective natural remedies for a lot of hair issues. Amla can be served as a conditioner. It prevents hair fall. It also gives your hair a natural shine. The fenugreek contains a lot of anti-inflammatory properties that can reduce inflammation and pain in your hair roots. Fenugreek also fights against dandruff. It promotes a thicker hair growth. It treats hair loss, and it softens the hair texture. We have aloe vera in this hair mask. We use aloe vera very often here. Aloe vera is amazing for your hair. We use it as a detangler. We use it as a conditioner. We also use it in majority of our DIYs. We love aloe vera over here. Aloe vera strengthens weak hair follicles. It controls greasy hair. It grows your hair. It contains vitamin A, C, and E. It also rejuvenates dry scalp and hair. It eliminates microbial infections. It reduces scalp inflammation, and aloe vera restores the pH balance on your scalp. And there's my ashwagandha powder. So as I said earlier, the ashwagandha powder I have not used before. This is my very first time using this powder, but I've discovered that it's very good for your hair and your body. If you have used this powder, please share that in the comment section, or if you know anything about the ashwagandha powder, please share that as well. The ashwagandha root powder helps to balance your hormone levels. It relieves stress and anxiety. It increases muscle and strength. It also lowers your blood sugar. Stress is a common cause for hair shedding and hair loss. So ashwagandha powder or ashwagandha root powder can be used to address that issue. Ashwagandha strengthens the hair. It contains amino acids and antioxidants that can help to strengthen the hair and minimize breakage. This is an amazing root powder. Alright family, if you are enjoying this video so far, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and also comment. By commenting and giving me a thumbs up, you are pushing this channel out there, and I'm pretty sure that's what you want for your girl, so please don't forget to do that. Also, if you want to become a member of this amazing family, go ahead and smash that subscribe button to become a member. I'm pretty sure you are going to love it here. Alright y'all, keep watching. Alright family, let's do a recap of all the amazing ingredients that I used to make this hair mask, starting off with my aloe vera. Aloe vera is very good for the hair. We use this to detangle our hair, and we also use it to condition our hair. It has so many other great benefits. I also use my amla powder, fenugreek powder, and my ashwagandha powder. Then I use my castor oil and 1 cup of the coconut milk. This hair mask made my daughter's hair very soft and easy to manage. I'm going to leave this on for 45 minutes, and after that all I have to do is rinse it out. That's all I have for you guys today. Thank you all for stopping by family. I hope you give me a thumbs up and also join the family by smashing that subscribe button. I really hope and pray that you all have a very blessed weekend, and I will see you all in the next video. Remain blessed. Love you guys. Bye.